Hi everyone, I'm Kamakshi Patel and I'm a makeup artist and a hairstylist. Hope all of you are keeping fine. And before I start speaking about anything, I would like to thank Shiraz sir for inviting me to be a part of this show. Uh, the questions that I get asked most often, of course, right now looking at the current scenario, it's more about the quarantine and how I'm coping with during the pandemic. So basically, I'm doing pretty much what everybody else is doing, like cooking, spending time with my family, and apart from that, so how I'm coping with the chaos is basically I try doing things that keep me calm, make me happy, like painting and sketching is what I really enjoy doing. And apart from that, really I'm trying to learn new techniques of makeup and hair, and researching on certain topics and concepts and preparing for them, so that once everything is back to normalcy, then we can start working on those concept shoots. And yeah, so basically watching a lot of tutorials on YouTube and following a lot of international makeup artists and hairstylists. Yeah, so pretty much that. And the other question that I get asked most often is, so before I became a makeup artist, I was into sports journalism. So a lot of people ask me, why the shift from journalism, which is completely different from makeup. So I'll say certain things led me to take this decision. Like, so, some of them were, of course, the situation at that time, and also apart from that, I think sometimes when you're doing something, you like doing it, but when you're doing something, you also realize that there's something else that you love doing more. So I think I found that love for makeup after I got into sports journalism. And I mean, I'd always liked art, and of course, makeup is a form of art. But I never really gave it a thought, to make it like my career. But then, I started researching on that, and I started getting more interest in makeup. And then I decided to, you know, go ahead with the decision of getting into makeup. And then slowly, as I started getting into it, I started loving it even more. And yeah, so basically, it was my love for makeup. And now, when I'm working, it doesn't make me feel tired, and I'm really happy doing it. And that's probably because I love what I do. So yeah, basically, I like creating the looks and the freedom of creativity that you get by being a makeup artist. Um, the other question that I get asked a lot is about, so why do I choose to be a freelance makeup artist, and why don't I join another, uh, say, agency or any other makeup artist and work under them? So I feel, for me, the reason why I choose to be a freelance artist is because I get to work with a variety of people, different types of people, and I am not really, tied down to working with a particular clients or models only. I get to meet new people, and at the same time, I think it really gives me the freedom to create what I want to express. So yeah, that's why I really prefer being a freelance artist compared to wanting to work with another artist or an agency. Um, okay, so the other question that I get asked quite often is, which I find is quite funny, and that's so have some people ask me that since you are a makeup artist, you must be only speaking to models. जी नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. In fact, some of my closest friends are not models. They're either makeup artists or hairstylists or a photographer and stylists. In fact, one of my oldest friends and my school friends are not even part of the industry. They're into the corporate world. So no, nothing like that. I think we as artists like to interact with all kinds of people because our clients also are a mix of people coming from various fields. So yeah, and well, also a lot of people ask me, when am I going to start doing tutorials? So yes, hopefully soon, and I'm going to try and start doing that with natural tips, like natural remedies for all types of skin. I'm going to start with that, and then slowly, of course, I'll start putting up a few of makeup tutorials as well. So fingers crossed, yeah, hopefully soon. It was really nice doing this video and being a part of this show. Stay healthy, guys. Bye.